had osteoarthritis in both hips, and I came to Dr. Dulik because my sister had come to Dr. Dulik for a partial knee replacement, and she was totally satisfied. He gave me the diagnosis, and he told me that I could try injections or that they could do surgery and replacement. He was very confident in what he was saying, and that helped me. There was no pressure to make either decision. I decided that I wanted to do the surgery just so I would have full benefit, full restoration. I'm so grateful to Dr. Dulik. I had good care. I had a lot of information ahead of time. I had good treatment at the hospital, good follow-up when I got out. I didn't have any infection issues. It was surprising to me to be able to get up out of the bed the same day as surgery. I thought that was fascinating. My life has changed afterward in that it's pain-free. And the difference for me has been incredible. I did the second hip just 5 months after the first one. And it's an incredible difference. I'm so grateful. If I had to face the decision again, I would do it again, and it would be with Dr. Dulik.